Hi friends, welcome to SQL Guys channel. This video helps you to understand what is foreign key column in SQL. As we know, database is collection of tables. So in order to create a relationship between two tables, we can use foreign key. So the foreign key column creates a link between two tables by referring primary key column in the another table. We can define foreign key column while creating the table or by altering the table using alter table statement. So this is the syntax to create the foreign key column. So if you want, we can add the constraint name as well by defining by keyword constraint, and this is the statement to alter the table and add foreign key. Similarly, we can also add the constraint name by adding alter table add constraint. So now we have the relation between two tables. The table being referenced is called as a parent table, that is the table with primary key, and the table with foreign key is called as child table. Why do we need to relate two tables? So the main reason is to ensure data integrity. So the relationship between the parent and child table ensures the data integrity, and this is known as referential integrity. So let us consider here we have the customer table and order table. Customer ID is the primary key column in the customer table, and the customer ID is the foreign key in the order table. So in order to add a record in the order table, so we need to ensure that customer ID is already created in the customer table. So by adding a foreign key, we can ensure that the IDs present in the customer table are only added in the orders table. If you try to add customer ID 6 in the orders table, which is not present in the customer ID, then you will get an error. So when two tables are related to each other, the table with primary key column is called as a parent table and the table with foreign key is called as a child table. The relationship between two tables can be one to one, one to many to many, so many to one. So in this case, the one customer in customer table is present many times in order table. So this relationship is called as one to many relationship. By definition, there is no condition that null values are not allowed in the foreign key column. Yes, null values are allowed in foreign key column. A table can have foreign keys more than one, and it is not necessary to be from the same table. Interestingly, child table and parent table can refer the same table. For example, in the below employee table, to define reporting structure, reporting to column is defined as foreign key, referring the primary key column employee ID of the same table. I hope you understand what is foreign key. In the next video, I'll create order table and create a link between the order table and customers table by creating a foreign key column in the orders table. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.